Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Ajay Sharma. So in today's video I'm going to discuss section 15 of Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act 1956, which deals with the valid adoption not to be cancelled. Section 15, valid adoption not to be cancelled. So what does the section mean?
Question is that once an adoption has been made validly, it cannot be cancelled by anyone. Let's read throughout the bare act. Section 15, valid adoption not to be cancelled. No adoption which has been validly made can be cancelled by the adoptive father or mother or any other person, nor can the adopted child renounce his or her status as such and return to the family of his or her birth. So it says that once an adoption has been made validly, it cannot be cancelled by anyone, not by the adoptive father, not by the adoptive mother, and not by any other person. And also the adopted child cannot say later that I don't want to be adopted anymore and return to his or her birth family. Once adopted, the child become a permanent member of adoptive family, just like a real son or daughter. For example, suppose a couple legally adopt a child. After some years, even if they have disagreement or problems, they cannot cancel the adoption. Similarly, the child cannot say that they want to go back their biological parents. So basically, adoption is finally and permanent. It gives the child a new family and full rights, and it all parent full responsibilities. That's all about section 15 of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more legal updates and share it with your friends. Okay, bye bye guys, see you in the next video.